Guys, just a follow up quick. So I put the shaft in already. And guys, when you put that in, make sure it's not shaking excessively, because if it's shaking, the shaft is not sitting properly inside. So I just use the back of an extension with the nut on, and I hit it there until it stops shaking. So just in mind, if your shaft is shaking there, you have a loose connection and it will damage the seal, and then you have to go all over back again. So make sure your shaft is in properly. If you don't show any shaking, you put on the nut and you hit it with a hammer here, let it go right back, and then it will lock it in properly. Trust me guys, and make sure put some lube on it, and then that's it. 2015 Ram. This will be your part 2, but I just added to this video because I don't want to get you guys bored. Alright, catch you on the next one. Narrator nice. And if you're here, this is For Life Auto, and please consider subscribing. This helps us very much to put out more content for you. Alright, I'm out. We're 2017 Dodge Ram 1500, and this is how to change the shaft seal for the axle in the front. So this is the O seal, and you don't have to take out all the parts and all that. You just disconnect the tongue, the arm, this tie rod end, disconnect the axle from there, and then you pull this back nicely guys. Make sure this don't get bent, and then you get your seal out from right there. So you could actually do this job in less than 20 minutes guys, if you know what you're doing. You don't have to take off all this stuff because that's a waste of time. And my axle is out already. I'm gonna be using this extension socket with an extension to put back in the O seal, and this is the new seal guys. Make sure it's the same looking, and I'm gonna use this on top the base there. That's gonna be to put in the seal. So guys, that's an intermediate shaft right there. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna get a new one, and then that's it. This is just to show you, you don't have to take off all that arm, all that rotors and all that calipers, because the axle comes out very easy without any problem. So guys, always remember to work safe and put your jack stand. And guys, there's one more thing. The axle comes out from right here. All the space is here guys. So you bend this back, and there you go, your axle comes out right here perfectly. And then you could go put this aside up here, and then you could put your seal in right here guys. Clean it out nicely, clean the shaft nicely, and then you could put your seal. Remember guys, don't hit it right in too far, because you could go damage the seal. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and just remember, you move this one, number 22 tie then, and you move this one, it's number 21. And when you're doing this one guys, it's good for you to, if you're using the gun, to get a swizzer, because it could go in an angle, because it's on here, it goes in an angle, and be all better for you to get it out if you have a swizzle and the gun guys. So this is what I use there, 22 on a swizzle, and your day goes easy. All right guys, it's pretty simple job guys. So you don't have to take off all this as I see some people do. If you want to do that, you can do that. But if this axle can come out this way, you don't need to take off all this. And be careful with your ABS wire guys, because this is gonna bring your ABS light on and your traction light, and your ABS will be disabled. And be careful about this line, because I could have disconnect this piece and get a different wire, but you don't want the metal wire to be bending. So the axle comes out very good. And guys, this is all I got for you for today. I wish I could show you going it back up, but I will see if I get the next video for that. And this is a 2017 Ram with a 5.7 Hemi, and that's how you take out the axle, and that's how you the seal, basically the seal and the axle. Alright guys, so if you listen to this video, you probably understand everything. If you don't, leave a comment in the section if you don't like something, and let me know what you don't like. Very nice. Have a nice day guys. I'm out. And if you're new here, my name is For Life. This is For Life Auto, and please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us a lot to show that we're bringing out good content, and once we can do it at home, you can do it at home too, guys. So this is to save you a lot of money, so you can do it yourself. Simple tools and simple technique. All right, guys, catch you on the next one. I'm out.